Hey guys, Cameron with Iron Force Knives here. Just wanted to do a quick update video, let y'all know where I'm at in the moving process. It's been like 2 months now, and I'm still not ready to make knives. I'm hoping to have everything ready and start producing stuff in a month. But very pleased with the Syil so far. It's very fast. It seems to handle, even for being a BT30, it's using a 3/8 about 3/8 stick out, or 3-inch stick out, to cut off my pallets here and to machine this riser. I'm gonna buy Pearson 8x14 pallets and just load them in there, chop the back off, chop the front off, and I end up with a 9.5x8, which is a nice little size. Enough to do. I'm only losing one knife per run, but the machine is 4 times as fast as my Fidal was, so why not? I can produce way more. So, conflicting evidence on the speed of this machine. Everything that I read said that the maximum was like 1,400 inches a minute. But when this machine first came out, I remember it saying that it was 2,000 inches a minute, and I was like, okay, that's really fast. But then they kind of changed it, and I don't know if it's different models or what, but I saw this thing hit 2,000 inches a minute on the control several times when I was doing rapids, just like messing around with it. And so I think this thing might be 2,000 inches a minute, which is 50 meters a minute, which is as fast as a Brother Speedio. Tool changes are slower, but for 35 grand delivered, I'm very happy with this thing so far. If I didn't have a tool setter, I'd turn this and run the pallets bigger, but the tool setter to me is worth it. Can do tool breakage detection and all that stuff. It's very, so far the control has been really easy to use. I'm a fan so far. It looks like a lot of buttons and stuff, but it's really not bad. It's not touchscreen, that's why there's so many buttons. So, but I'm a fan. I like it so far. What else? The shop. I've been spending lots of time. Actually, really haven't taken that long. Insulating the ceiling with rock wool, R15 insulation. It really helps with the sound. So whenever my machines are running, phase converter, it's so loud. Hate phase converters. They work, but man, it's loud. I actually might build a rock wool wall on the stairs there to kind of just absorb the sound that's coming this direction. And my surface grinder thing, I'm moving that to the other side of the shop so I can put the phase converter there, build a little wall that just to suck up a little bit of that noise with some rock wool on it. But the insulation, I'm almost done. I've got see up there, I got 4, I'm bleeding, oh fun. I got 4 sections there that I need to do, and then a little bit in the corner. Just upstairs, I'm gonna build a hatch that actually opens on this side, so it'll open like that to block off the upstairs with some foam board, like that 2-inch thick foam board, or it's like 1.5 inches or something like that. I just put a new door in today. I'm loving this. I got one with a window. I splurged. Really, I don't know. I like windows. When I work, most of the time I'm working late at night, so I hate not knowing, what is it dark outside? I can't. It really messes with your head when your shop has no windows. So I love having windows personally. But big fan. The other one was leaky at the bottom. The whole bottom, the old threshold was gone. So this one's gonna be a big improvement, and I still have to do some trim on the outside, seal it, all that good stuff. But what else? That may be it. I'm gonna try to move my equipment this weekend. Anodizing, probably gonna go here. Surface grinder, maybe here somewhere, facing that way. Dust collector in there somewhere. Maybe lathe. What else? Blasting cabinets, probably over here. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I can move stuff around willy-nilly. CNC router, laser, and then fiber laser somewhere over there. Don't know. One thing that I have not figured out, we're pretty much out of money now, so it's kind of like I I got to figure out some solution, but I do not have water in here, and I need water for my anodizing. So I either have to trench and lay a PEX pipe all the way from the well to here, to my RO system, or another idea that I might do temporarily is get like a cheap pressure pump that like use in like RVs and stuff to get like 35 pounds of pressure, and I can fill up like 5-gallon buckets, like 10 gallons of water at a time, and pump that into my RO, which will then go into my RO pressure tanks, which I have 8 gallons of RO pressure tanks, which I only use about 2 gallons of water every time I do an anodizing cycle. So that's not bad. Typically I only do a couple of anodizing cycles a week. So I think that would be an okay solution. I just have to run the garden hose over here, fill up those buckets, let the system pressurize, fill them up again, and then heck, I can probably run it for 2 weeks on 10 gallons if I'm not doing that many knives, maybe 20 knives in 2 weeks, something like that. But we'll see. I eventually want to get water out here. When we redo the septic tank, I'm going to have them move it downhill where the lateral lines are and closer to them, so that I can put an upstairs bathroom in here, which would be awesome. And maybe turn the upstairs into a little apartment with a kitchen and stuff like that. Because it's the same size as this shop, basically. It's pretty large. So anyway, that's where I'm at. If you guys got any questions, put them down in the comments. I'm just trying to get all this stuff done. However, I will have quite a bit more time, hopefully, in the future. Or actually starting tomorrow, because my son is going to school for the first time. So I'll have probably at least 2 hours every day to myself, which I'm pretty pleased about that. I'll be able to get some stuff done, actually. Yeah, anyway, if you have any questions, put them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye.